This guide addresses common parental questions about braces for kids.
It provides a comprehensive overview of pediatric orthodontics. The guide covers topics from determining the right age for braces. It also explains the step-by-step process of getting braces. Parents' concerns about braces are acknowledged and addressed. The goal is to provide clarity and support for families considering orthodontic treatment. This video provides essential information about braces for children. The video aims to cover everything parents and kids need to know. It serves as a comprehensive guide to understanding braces. The content is tailored for both children and their parents. The video will address common questions and concerns. It intends to demystify the process of getting braces. Braces are often recommended for children to address teeth straightening and bite correction. Crooked teeth are a common issue that braces can effectively resolve. Bite problems, such as overbite and underbite, can be corrected with orthodontic treatment. Gaps between teeth can be closed through the use of braces. Braces can also help align the jaw, improving overall dental health. Addressing these issues early can prevent more complex dental problems later in life. The recommended age for a child's first visit to the orthodontist is around age 7. Early orthodontic consultation allows for the detection of potential dental issues. Orthodontists possess specialized expertise in identifying subtle problems with jaw growth and tooth alignment. Early detection enables timely intervention and preventative measures. Addressing orthodontic issues early can simplify future treatment. An orthodontist's expertise ensures comprehensive assessment and tailored treatment planning. The initial step in the braces journey involves a comprehensive consultation. During the consultation, an orthodontist thoroughly examines the patient's teeth. X-rays are taken to assess the underlying structure and alignment of the teeth. Based on the examination and X-rays, a personalized treatment plan is developed. This plan outlines the specific steps and timeline for achieving optimal dental alignment. The preparation phase is a crucial step in orthodontic treatment. This phase may involve the removal of baby teeth to create space. Spacing devices might be used to ensure adequate room for permanent teeth. Dentists extract teeth when necessary to facilitate proper alignment. Spacers are placed to maintain gaps, guiding teeth into correct positions. The process of getting braces is generally painless. The orthodontist begins by thoroughly cleaning the patient's teeth. This ensures proper adhesion of the brackets. Next, a special glue is applied to the surface of each tooth. Brackets are then carefully placed and secured onto the glued areas. Finally, wires are attached to the brackets, initiating the alignment process. Regular adjustments are a crucial part of orthodontic treatment. These adjustments are typically scheduled every 4-8 weeks. During adjustments, orthodontists tighten wires to maintain consistent pressure. This controlled pressure facilitates the gradual movement of teeth into the desired alignment. Orthodontists also check the progress of teeth movement at each appointment. Consistent adjustments ensure the treatment stays on track for optimal results. Retainers play a crucial role in maintaining the results achieved with braces. They are typically prescribed after the removal of braces. The primary function of a retainer is to prevent teeth from shifting back to their original positions. Consistent wear of the retainer, as directed by the orthodontist, is essential. This ensures the long-term stability of the straightened teeth and the maintenance of the new smile. Managing discomfort is key to a smoother braces experience for both parents and children. Mild discomfort can be effectively managed with simple strategies. One strategy involves eating soft foods that require minimal chewing. Another approach is the use of appropriate pain relief medication, as directed by a healthcare professional. These methods can help alleviate discomfort and make the braces journey more manageable. Maintaining proper oral hygiene is crucial, especially when wearing braces. Braces create additional surfaces where food particles and plaque can accumulate. Effective brushing is essential for removing debris around brackets and wires. Use a soft bristled toothbrush and fluoride toothpaste for optimal cleaning. Flossing helps to clean between teeth and under the arch wire. Regular and thorough oral hygiene prevents cavities, gum disease, and staining around braces. Certain foods should be avoided when wearing braces to prevent damage. Sticky foods are problematic as they can adhere to brackets and wires. This adhesion can lead to dislodged brackets or bent wires. Hard foods also pose a risk to the integrity of the braces. Biting into hard foods can cause brackets to break or detach. Avoiding these types of foods helps maintain the effectiveness of the orthodontic treatment. Positive reinforcement is used to motivate a child. It involves celebrating milestones and achievements. This encouragement helps build confidence. Parents play a key role in providing this positive feedback. Braces provide significant long-term benefits for dental health. Orthodontic treatment with braces can substantially improve a patient's confidence. Braces contribute to enhanced oral hygiene and reduce the risk of dental problems. A corrected bite and aligned teeth lead to a more attractive smile. These improvements collectively enhance overall quality of life. The video concludes with the presenter's closing remarks. Viewers are encouraged to like the video to show their support. Subscribing to the channel is promoted to retain audience interest. Viewers are prompted to leave questions or comments to foster interaction. This call to action reinforces viewer engagement with the content. An end screen appears, signaling the conclusion of the video content. The end screen incorporates clear calls to action to encourage viewer interaction. Viewers are prompted to subscribe to the channel for future content. Suggestions for the next video to watch are provided, keeping viewers engaged. Viewers are encouraged to follow the channel on various social media platforms. These calls to action aim to promote continued engagement and build a loyal audience.